Imagine you are working in a company, and it is lunchtime. You power on your phone and order some food. Soon after, a drone landed in front of the company. You suddenly remember that you have a document that has to be sent to your client. So you walk outside, take the food, and put the document inside the drone's storage box. And then you walk back to the office, look outside the window, and see the drone flying to your client. Sounds unrealistic? No. Let me show you the contactless delivery.
Hello, I'm Kevin Chan.
I'm Michelle Lee.
I'm Mark Lai.
Okay, without further ado, how to make the delivery contactless?
Well, it's easy. Just use the drone.
Tell me more details.
First, we have Hunter Technology XJ410.
And the flight software.
Next, the drone base station.
Whoa, there's a lot of technological things. In fact, I don't really understand what you guys just said. Can you tell me more about the XJ410?
Of course, there are 4 basic parts to make you understand better. First thing is load. The maximum load for XJ410 is 10 kilograms.
Next, battery life. Its battery life is 40 minutes. It is enough to complete every single mission. The charging time is also 40 minutes too. So each of the drones will be equipped with 2 batteries that can work at any time, anywhere.
Third, the storage box. Normally, it is friendly fixed storage drone. However, our storage box is being modified. It has a suspension system so it will keep a horizontal state during your flight. Although we have a stable storage box, we need somebody to control a drone.
That's right. We have drone pilots. They will monitor the drones through the 4G LTE network connection. When something goes wrong, they will take over the control.
Hey guys, what if it's raining or a typhoon coming?
We can run our business on rainy or windy day for sure. If the gust is more than level 6 or the rainfall is more than 10 mm per hour, then we can't do the service.
Okay, what about the flight software? Does it have any special function?
Of course. First, autopilot. It will automatically set the flying route and execute. Second, offline mode. When the drone is in offline mode, it will automatically return to the drone base station.
Third, central control. All the drones will be connected to a central computer, so the drone pilot can easily control them.
Wow, who provides such a great thing?
It comes from Hunter Technology and Industrial Technology Research Institute. We will invest in research and development with them.
Hey, Misha, I heard that you guys have a drone base station. Can you introduce it for me?
Sure, we have drone base stations in every service area. These drone base stations are just like the home of drones.
Can you explain more detail?
First thing, we have a charging setup. Fully charged will remove battery to prepare for the next task. Second, the landing platform is a platform for drones to take off and land smoothly. Third, UV disinfection lamp. In this era full of epidemics, this might be the most important thing.
Last, RTK ground base station. Its function is to establish a precise reference point on the ground to guide the drone to an accurate location.
I don't really understand what you guys said. Can you explain more about the RTK ground base station?
The RTK is a satellite navigation technique used to enhance the precision of position data derived from satellite-based positioning systems. At the same time, we still have technicians stand by at the drone base station. Their jobs need to change the battery, load goods, and pre-flight inspection.
There are so many technical things that I heard for the first time. Now I have these equipment. How do they work?
Here, we have 5 areas for discussion. Cooperation agreement, service area, service, app, and disinfection.
I guess you will explain it for us.
Of course we will. Let's start with the cooperation agreement.
Because of the insufficient funds in the early stage, we will run drones with Hunter Technology.
Hunter Technology will lease 100 drones and 200 batteries for us. At the same time, they're responsible for the maintenance and upgrade of all drones during the agreement.
What about you guys? Don't you guys need to do something?
Of course we do. First, we will pay Hunter 30% of our income. Second, we will pay £80,000 as a deposit. Last but not least, we will share our flight data with them.
Cool! How long will you sign the agreement?
We will cooperate for 7 years first. By the way, when the damage is caused by the fault, the responsibility shall be determined according to the cause of the accident.
Okay, you guys have borrowed the drones and other equipment, so where do you serve them?
We will cooperate with 3 science parks: Hsinchu Science Park, Central Science Park, and South Science Park.
I guess you guys are going to talk about the most important part now, right?
You bet! We're going to talk about our service.
We provide 2 forms of service: drone delivery and area delivery.
What's the difference between these two?
First, Let me introduce drone delivery, just like the general delivery platform. After the customer places an order, there will be a transportation vehicle to help you deliver the goods. The only difference here is that the vehicle is replaced by a drone.
Based on the drone delivery, the difference in area delivery is that the customer will call the drone first, load the goods by themselves, and then set the destination. After that, the drone will complete the rest of the work.
Now how can I use your service?
We have designed an app ourselves. It has 5 main functions.
First, pickup notice. It can remind customers to pick up the goods that have arrived.
Second, search. Third, past orders. You can check past orders. Fourth, online service. If you have any function you don't understand, just use it.
Fifth, placing order. This is our most important function. Whether it is receiving goods or placing orders, you must click here.
I think it's good to hear about it so far, but if you look at recent epidemic, it's really terrifying. Do you have no measures to prevent the epidemic?
Yes, we do. The first stage is personal hygiene equipment. We will let the technicians do sanitation protection.
The second stage is rubbing alcohol. We will disinfect each good with alcohol.
The last stage is UV disinfection lamp. We will use UV disinfection lamps to disinfect the drones every day.
That's a load off my mind.
So you have done so many things. Won't you sustain losses in business?
Of course not. We have abundant income. First of all, we will sign a contract with the science park. They will pay us £34,000 every month, which includes our personnel, facilities, and other expenses.
In addition, we will also collect fees from customers who use the service. These fees include electricity and cleaning fees. The area delivery is farther than the drone delivery due to a long flying distance.
How much money can you make in a month?
Before answering this question, we have to count and see how many times we will provide services in a month. Fortunately, we estimate from the average data published by Taiwan's delivery platform.
According to the data we evaluated, we will have 30,000 drone deliveries and 6,000 area deliveries a month.
With the contract signed with the science parks, we will have an income of £140,100 per month, but we have to allocate 30% of our income to Hanjin. So in the end, we will get £98,700 per month.
Now, I want to hear about our expenses.
At the beginning, we will have a startup expenditures. This expenditure mainly come from drone, app, and drone base station. It costs £289,000.
Next is monthly expenses. Our monthly expenses will include personnel expenses, drone base station, drone insurance, and operation costs. The total amount spent is £32,300.
So after calculation, we can make a net income of £66,400 a month, and each year we will have £796,800.
Wow, you guys make a lot of money. What will you guys do with it?
Well, on this point, we have a development plan. The main idea of this project is step-by-step to the delivery platform.
Right. We divide this plan into 3 parts: short-term, mid-term, and long-term.
Our short-term is the Latin merchant. The plan will be implemented in 6 months.
The main purpose of this project is to sign contracts with stores around the service area. To achieve this plan, we will hire 1 to 2 business developers to assist us.
Sounds interesting. I can't wait to see the midterm development plan.
Okay. Let's talk about it, Mark.
Alright, the midterm plan will start in the 3rd year. At that time, we have accumulated a lot of data.
These data are enough for us to develop our own physical facilities.
What do you want to develop?
Well, lots of things, but I want to develop the most is an automatic charging station.
Hey, don't forget, except for data, we still need the assistance of professional engineers.
Yes, we will hire 3 to 4 professional engineers.
Wow, sounds interesting. Now I'm looking forward to the delivery platform.
Don't be in a hurry. Before that, we still need the help of the 2nd generation drone.
In 5 years, we will develop the 2nd generation drone by ourselves.
The 2nd generation drone will be more suitable for the transportation in the urban area.
Wait, so where's the delivery platform?
Don't worry, we'll start a delivery platform when the 2nd generation drone goes online. At that time, we still need more drone pilots.
Okay, we have talked about so many things. Now, let me help you organize this information. We have made a business model.
Because the order of our arrangement will be different from the general business model, so I will introduce to you one by one.
Number 1 is the value proposition. This part is the core of our business.
Number 2 is our customer segments. Our main customers are these people. But how to connect with these customers, Mark?
That's number 3, channels. This is the way how our customers know about us.
And number 4, customer relationship. This part is how we interact with our customers.
Next, number 5, revenue streams. After the above 4 interconnections, we will have income.
Afterwards, number 6 is the most important thing, our key partners, Hanjin Technology.
Then, number 7 is our key resource. After we cooperate with Hanjin Technology, we will have these resources.
Number 8, key activities. This is what we mainly do when we run the entire business.
Number 9, cost structure. After connecting the above 3 and value proposition, you will finally get the cost structure.
Finally, subtract the cost structure from revenue streams, and we can know whether our business will succeed.
After listening to your entire introduction, I can't wait to give it a try.
Actually, we have prepared a present for you.
Really? Where is it?